Welcome, champions. Ready to unlock your potential. Today, we're diving into the power of choices, navigating emotions, and crafting your journey. Let's get started on this empowering adventure. 1. Your emotions are the compass of your life. Choose the path that aligns with your true self, and you'll never be lost.
2. The best version of you is shaped by the choices you make. Choose wisely to create a journey filled with joy and growth. 3. Embrace your emotions, but let wisdom guide your decisions. This balance will attract the best outcomes in your life. 4. Your journey is determined by the choices you make. Make them with love, wisdom, and care to attract the best experiences. 5. A fulfilling journey is crafted by the choices of a wise heart. Choose positivity and attract the life you desire. 6. Life's journey is a reflection of your inner world. Choose thoughts and emotions that uplift and watch your path transform. 7. The road to fulfillment is paved with wise choices and guided by the heart's true emotions. 8. In every decision, choose the path that aligns with your highest self and attracts the best life. 9. The journey is long, but the choices are many. Choose wisely to attract a life you love. 10. Your inner world creates your outer journey. Choose emotions and actions that elevate your path. 20. Every choice you make defines your path. Choose with a heart full of love and a mind full of wisdom. 21. The essence of your journey lies in the balance of your emotions and the wisdom of your choices. 22. Your emotions are the painters of your life's canvas. Choose colors that create a masterpiece. 23. The journey of life is shaped by the choices of the heart. Let love and wisdom guide you. 24. Life's most fulfilling journey is one where emotions are understood and choices are made with clarity. 25. Your emotions set the stage, but your choices write the script of your journey.